Hello friend. How today we will discuss how to select the air conditioner size for room, determining the proper BTU size of AC air conditioner. So we will first of all we will discuss the rule how we should select the air conditioner size. So there are four rules to select air conditioner. First rule, for first floor room size should be multiplied by 30, and second rule, for second floor and for kitchen also. Room size should be multiplied by 40. And the third rule, each port above 8 feet ceiling height we should add 1000. So it means if we have 9 feet ceiling height, so we should add 1000, and if we 10 feet ceiling height, so we should add 2000 to the room size. Okay, and the fourth and final rule, each person were the first person, the room size should be 600 should be added to the room size. That means that if there is 1%, so 600 should be added to the room size. If we there are two people living inside the room, so we will add 1200 BTU to the room size. Okay, so let's suppose, for example, we have a room size. This is room, and this is the door. This is 14 feet, and this is 10 feet. Okay, so one thing more I will tell you. This is the bed. So where should we install the AC? What is the positioning of AC inside room for installation? So a lot of people don't know about that, to where we should install the AC inside the room, at the bedroom. But ideally the best positions for AC should be left side or right side of the room. We should install, not in front and back side of the bed. Okay, so let's suppose this is 10 feet the width, and the length is 14 feet. So we should calculate the room size. Length multiplied by width, so it is 14 multiplied by 10, so it made 140 square feet. Okay, so now we will apply the rules. Okay, so let's suppose we calculate for the second floor. So for second floor rooms, we will apply the second rules. So we will we also mention that room size will multiply by 40. So room size, we have 140 square feet multiplied by 40. Okay, so it will become, after calculations, 5600 BTUs. Okay, so now we will apply the third rule. Each feet above 8 feet. If let's suppose we have the ceiling height is 9 feet. So okay, so 1000 we will add to the room size. So room size is 6 per 9 feet. 9 feet ceiling height. Okay, so the room size is 5600 BTU, and we also mentioned per 9, so over the 8, so we will add 1000 plus, we will add 1000 BTU. Okay, so it will becomes 6600 BTUs. Okay, and the fourth and final rule. If there are 3 people living inside the room, so we will calculate and we will apply these rules. So fourth rules implies that a 3 person, first of all, three person. So the room size 6600 and plus, so 3 multiplied by 600, it will become 1800. So we should add 1800 here, and it will becomes 8400 BTUs. So this is the final BTU size of rooms. So how we will select now? So as we know 1 ton equal to 12,000 BTUs. Okay, so this is near to the 12,000, so we will select 1 ton AC, and 1 ton AC cooling capacity is 12,000 BTUs per hour. Okay, so this is the, we will select 1 ton AC